The buttons and functions we have here are pretty typical for this style of height gauge. On/off is obvious. What's nice is when you turn the unit off and then back on, it retains its current readout, so there's no need to re-zero. The zero absolute button will zero out the readout to your current position. You will also use this button to begin setting a preset. The hold data button allows you to hold a value even if the hand wheel is moved. Once you press it again, the readout returns to the actual positional reading. This helps when you want to move the gauge away from the surface being measured, but hang on to the reading until you have a chance to record it. The plus/minus button is used to change values when using the preset function. It will also change which direction reads as negative relative to 0. The millimeter/inch button, of course, switches between inch and metric readings. Last up is the preset button. This allows you to save an entered value so you can use that value as a starting point and then measure relative to that value.